Hello, this is the moving average session indicator. So first I'm showing you how to add the indicator. If you know, it's fine, it's just a procedure. Then you come to click here on this F, and then after clicking here on the F, you go down, you'll see this moving average here. It's here, this one, the retail moving average. You just click it. After clicking it, you can see the settings here. So I'm going to explain the settings one by one. Period. This is the number of indicators that you want the indicator to give you the information on. For example, now the period is 10. It means our moving average will only give us information based on 10 previous indicators, which you will count as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's almost around here. Okay, this moving average is here now because of these previous 10 indicators. Because 10 indicators, it will count with 10, 10, 10. So our moving average is here now because of the information provided by these 10 indicators. Okay, so let me go back again. So now we are on shift, the second one, which is this one. This is shift. So what happens with shift is that is the number that you want the indicator to stop on. The shift most of the time will be 0. And then let me open the chart so that I can tell you, can show you, you can see now it's 0 and then. So 0, it means the indicator will count. Remember I said 10 candlesticks until this candlestick. Okay, in fact this candlestick is 0, this one is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. So you count 0, 1, 2. As you go back, you count. This one is 0, and then you count backwards until here. Okay, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The way. That's how the Forex market works. This is the 0 candlestick, this is 1 candlestick, this is 2 candlestick. So when you come here, if you can just change this 0 to 1, it means you want the moving average to count until here, not here. You want the moving average to count actually from here backwards. But when you are saying 0, you are saying no, count from the current candlestick there. If you type 1, it means you are saying no, don't forget about this one. Count from here to that side. If you say 2, no, forget about this 2. Count from here. That's a shift. That's how shift means, and that's how shift works. Okay, so we are done with shift. So this thing called simple exponential, smooth, linear. So this one is actually complicated. I don't think you will want to actually focus on that one, because when you are talking about simple, you are simply saying these 10 candlesticks only. Okay, but when you are saying exponential, you're actually saying count as 10, 10, 10 from the previous 10. Also include the information from the previous 10 and all that. Actually, that one you can forget about it. It's not that much useful. The interesting one is this one where you say method. No, it's not method. This one of apply to, closed or open. You can see yes, apply to, close or open. This actually means if you said close, you're actually saying the information that you give me here, it must be based on this candlestick after the candlestick closed, not when the candlestick opens. Which means that if you are saying closed, this most of the time, if you are saying closed, most of the time this thing won't be here only. It will move around until this candlestick close, so that it will give you information based on how this closed. But if you can say open, immediately when this candlestick open, this indicator will be available for you with all the information. It will be closed, it won't be changed. This works in all indicators if you have them. So the rest, especially this one pixel, it will be style, and then it will be, you can change the color. You can see, you just click here if you want to change the color. This one of 2 pixel, this means the how big do you want your line to be. You can see now it's a small line, but if you can go there, change the line to 4, you'll see now it's thick. My line now is thick. Okay, so that what means, that is what that pixel means. And then the levels, I don't know what level will you want to be include on the moving average on the chart. So but the thing, I think now you understand what's happening here. Okay, I've spoke about this indicator, which means now I'll make it a direct video which tells you how to use the indicator. This is just what is moving average and how it works, how to set the moving average. So after this, I'm going to show you how to find the signals using moving average, which will be nice, right? Sharp.